first five.
And we are back in the ball game. Our dessert, kumbaga, the main course was served earlier, and SRNT were the champions of the CABC 2026. Right now, we're gonna have our dessert, which is our all-star game, Team Light versus Team Dark. First 10 minutes of action here. Once again, mga kaibigan, ako po si Neil Ramos. And we're gonna see a lot of highlights right now. And the double-handed layup a la Eman Calo. That is good from Buhawi. And Atras back with a lay. That is Canillo, 4-2. The light jerseys are leading the way. Swings it outside. Alberto, that's a three-pointer that won't go. Rebound goes to Buhawi. Buhawi fires a three of his own. That is air ball from Buhawi. Outlet pass. Ball is stolen by Team Dark. Let's go. Outside three. Yes, sir. That is Pahinting with a three-pointer. Eight minutes 27 seconds remaining. Go outside. Bahinting one more time. This time from the other side. Back-to-back hits there for Bahinting. Now it is 8-4. Team Dark is leading the way. Duterte has the ball. Pull up J from Duterte. That won't go. Rebound goes to Team Dark. Cross court. Bahinting. And Bahinting with 8 straight points in this first quarter. Grabe, early domination here for Bahinting. Aureo attacks to the rim. Aureo gets it in for 2. Now 10-6. Go outside to Buhawi. Buhawi fires. That is short. Rebound goes to Duterte. Scramble for the ball. Duterte still wins that one. 16 seconds remaining for the white shirts. Ball is stolen. And Bahinting won't be able to save the ball. That is out of bounds. Miscommunication between Lapina and Bahinting. Duterte. Shot fake. Step back. Balik dito kay Duterte. 15 on the shot clock. Malquita. That's a 3 from the top of the key. Won't go. Oreo. That's gonna be a block from the black shirts, pero may kasamang kamay right now. Oreo is at the line and gets the first free throw. By the way, the foul earlier was on Lapina. Second free throw here for Oreo. That is good. Now a 2-point lead. Buhawi, shot fake, step back. Buhawi showing some moves there. Not that time para kay Buhawi. Lapina though tries to clean up the mess. Third time for Lapina. That's a foul. That is against Canillo. 6:37 remaining here in the first quarter. As this time, yung na-foul kanina, yung natawagan ng foul kanina, yun naman ang titira ngayon at the free throw line, and Lapina will miss the first free throw. Second shot here for La Piña. That is up. That is good. That's 2 out of 2 para kay La Piña. Oh, that's 1 out of 2 rather for La Piña. Marquita now outside to Duterte. Duterte with a drop pass inside to Canillo. Gets it in. Basket is good para kay Canillo. And the white shirts are just down by 1 point. Canillo can tie this game up if he makes these free throws. And no, he won't. But Canillo will get his own miss. Jumper for the lead. That won't go. Bahinting will have the rebound. Bahinting loses control of the ball. La Piña, shot fake. Balik dito kay Bahinting. Outside pass. 3 from Alberto. Rattles out. The white shirts will have the ball. Bahinting will have a counter. Bahinting. Inside pass. La Piña. Go. Yes. Gandang pasahan from the dark shirts. Marquita. Outside to Duterte. Shot clock at 15 para dito kay Duterte. Aureo attacks. Aureo puts it up. Patay Butike. Go on the run. Bahinting. 2-on-1 action. La Piña with the touchdown. Zamora loses control of the ball. Canillo. Ball is stolen by Go. Outside to Alberto. Will fire a 3. Masyadong malakas. Rebound for the dark shirts. Go. And Bahinting connection. Pito na ang hinahabol dito ng dark shirts. As Duterte falls down hard. That's gonna be a traveling violation, I believe, for Duterte. Yep, it's gonna be a traveling violation for Duterte as we're gonna have a substitution. Now Bahinting outside, this time inches closer, not that side for Bahinting. Rebound goes to La Piña. Hook shot is good for La Piña. To 10. Alanik. Santa Aureo. Aureo with a fadeaway shot. Bad shot there from Aureo. Huawei will have the rebound. Now Go. Jumper for 3. Wala. So right now we're gonna have a substitution for the dark shirts. We have Homola, Fabian, and Branzuela subbing in para dito kay Go, Buhawi at Alberto. Bahinting will sit down as well. So basically a different looking starting unit for the dark shirts. Seconds remaining on the shot clock for the guys in white. Alanik outside to Canillo. That's a 3. Short for Canillo. Now Humola has the ball. Kicks it outside. 3-pointer. That won't go. Bola mapupunta dito sa mga nakaputi. Alanik will miss the layup. Niere. Rondo pass, and Humola will not be able to get the pass from Niere. Timeout will be called. 3:15 remaining here in the first quarter. As Team Dark will get a, or will have a 9-point. We are back in the game. 3 minutes 10 seconds at the first quarter. Now Alanik outside. Tautuan for 3. Almost got it in. Good look there by Tautuan. Humola. De Venadera will not be able to catch that ball. Outside to Alanik. 17 on the shot clock for the guys in white. Tauto at same spot, same result. Another miss at the 3-point line. Tautoan again with the ball. De Venadera on the defensive side. Shot masyadong malalim para dito for the white shirts. Niere. Step back. Humola fires a 3. Won't go para kay Humola. Romano. Drop pass. Alanik. Will not miss that one. De Venadera, bullet pass to Fabian. And masyadong malakas, di nakuha ni Fabian yung bola. Lakas ng pasa nitong si De Venadera doon. Tautoan. Inside, balik dito kay Tautoan. That is a 3 from Tautoan, courtesy of the pass from Nilagson. De Venadera, shot off the glass, wala, masyadong malakas para kay De Venadera. Alanik, nauna na, and Alanik with a touchdown. And a timeout will be called this time for the Dark Shirts. Unti-unti nang nakakahabol itong mga nakaputi dito as the lead is down to 2 points, 19 to 17. Still, the Dark Shirts hanging on to a 2-point lead. We are back in the ball game as Humola gets the basket. No foul call there. Still in the first quarter, by the way. 1 minute 12 seconds. Tautoan fires another 3. Hits a 3 earlier. That time misses. Ball goes in the hands of Niere. Niere naghanap ng mapapasahan dito. Outside to Fabian. Balik dito kay Niere. Niere with 14 on the shot clock. Niere with a dipsy-do. Out of bounds for the white shirts. Turnover na naman para dito sa mga nakaputi. De Venadera with a cross-court pass. Valenzuela naghanap ng papapasahan. Fabian back to De Venadera. Inside pass. Ball is stolen. Bola mapupunta dito sa mga nakaputi as Romano with a touchdown. Apat ang hinahabol dito nitong mga nakaputi. Valenzuela drops ito Fabian. Inside, tatlong nakaberde ang gustong mag-cut doon. Or actually, they already made the cut. Pero hindi nagkaamo yan. Now Alanik with a jab cross. Alanik inside. Oh, yes! Oh, what a shifty move from Alanik. I'm curious, how is he related to that Alanik who just won the championship earlier? I'm pretty sure they are related, but that's the end of the first quarter. 21 or 23 to 21 is our score. The Dark Shirts are up by 2 points against the Light Shirts. So again, this is the All-Star game, the CABC All-Star game. We'll be right back. And we are back in this ball game, 23-21, second quarter action. Team Dark leading the way. Niele with a pocket pass inside, and Humolan gets it in for 2. Now Romano outside. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Balik dito kay Romano. Now down to 10. Tautuan will fire a 3. That is short as the rebound goes to Fabian. Humolan nauna na, and Humolan with the lay-in. Romano drops it to Tautuan. Will be able to save it to the wrong man. Fabian now with a rebound. Humolan switching hands mid-air. Carbon open from the top of the circle. All glass there. Carbon gets his own miss. Drop pass to Igot. Igot answers with a basket. Molan with a shot fake over Anislagon. Gets it in for 2. Romano. Anislagon with a drop pass. Tautuan, 8 seconds on the shot clock. Shot, yes! Anislagon gets the basket to go. Buhawi ready to check in the game. Niere. Divinadera outside to Buhawi, or to Valenzuela rather, as Valenzuela will fire. Partially rejected, I believe. Anislagon. Drop pass to Duterte. Or to Romano rather. Once again with the basket. 7 minutes 24 left to go. Carbon outside to Romano. Anislagon outside. Tauto 3 off the bounce. Yes sir, friendly bounce for Tautuan. Now Niere with a sham god. Niere with a dribbling wizardry. Crisscross from Niere. Outside to Divinadera. Cross-court pass. Valenzuela, that's a 2. Won't go. Battle for the rebound. Pick up by Humolan. Shot clock down to 13. Divinadera with a bullet pass. Humolan will not be able to get the ball. Romano nauna na. And that is probably the easiest basket of the game dito para sa mga nakaputi, as Romano cuts the lead down to 1 point, 33-32. We'll be right back after this timeout. We are back in the ball game, 33-32. Hindi nagkamuyan ng magkakampi doon. That's the turnover. Duterte. Outside to Carbon. Balik dito kay Duterte. Zamora with a hesitation. Naghanap ng mapapasahan dito. Carbon was wide open by Hinting, giving him too much space as Carbon will fire a 3 and knocks it down. Lamang na itong mga nakaputi dito. As Buhawi will fire, not his shot. Rebound goes to Bahinting, and the stick back is good. We are tied 35 all.
5 minutes 43. Zamora with a fly by 3. Yes, sir! Grabe, tumingin pa sa camera itong si Zamora doon. Shout out to our photographer, Boss Ronix Tolen. Ganda na pagkakakuha nun. Jalen Bronson talaga. Ito na naman, Zamora. Can you do back to back? Almost, but not quite para kay Zamora. Painting. Attacks to the rim. Drops it off to Lapina. And there's the 2 points. Kanina pa. Dynamic duo ng mga naka-dark shirts, no? Ito si Bainting tsaka ito si Lapina. Magkakalaban sa regular season. Ngayon, magkakampi sa All-Star game. As Bainting now has the ball. Stop and pop 3. Bainting won't go. Go will have it. Go. Stick back is good para dito kay Go. Zamora will fire a 3. That is short for Zamora. Ball is tapped. Aureo gets it in. There's the 2 points para kay Aureo. Now Bainting looking for a teammate outside to Go. Go will fire a 3. Masyadong matalas para kay Go. Lapina will secure the rebound. Lapina outside to Buhawi. 1 dribble. 3. Gusto talagang makatira ng 3. Hindi gusto makatira. Nakakatira itong si Buhawi. Ang gusto niya, pumasok yung mga 3 niya. Aureo rejected by Buhawi. Great D from Buhawi, and Zamora wala nang nagawa kundi i-foul na lang itong si Buhawi doon. So that a much faster Alanik can come in the game. Parang nahiya na itong si Zamora after a couple misses. But that was an iconic shot earlier though. We gotta give him credit to that one. Back and forth ball game tayo dito, no? As Alanik won't be able to get that basket. Pass it inside to Canillo. Over Bainting. That won't fall. Eto na. We can feel the presence. Nagsisimula ng magiging seryoso ang laro natin ngayon here in the second quarter, no? Talagang depensaan na. Alanik, 1-on-1 on Go. Alanik with a drop pass to Canillo. Canillo outside to Carbon, fires a 2, won't go. Alanik has it, muscling his way in. Now Bainting has it. Stop and pop J, masyadong malakas on that jumper from Bainting. Rebound mapupunta dito kay Duterte. Outlet pass. Shot from Aureo. Another jumper. It's good para dito kay Aureo. There's a proud mom, Mrs. Aureo, watching his son as Lapina will not be able to get that basket. Duterte on the run. Duterte with the drop pass. Alanik. Jumper or floater is good para dito kay Alanik. Tatlo na ang kalamangan dito nitong mga nakaputi. Right now we're gonna have a substitution as Marquita and Tautuan is in the game for Carbon and Duterte. One minute 57 seconds remaining here. Ball is stolen. Alberto nauna na. Alberto passes it to Bainting. Manages to get that one in. Alanik with a drop pass. Canillo. Aureo with a fadeaway. Answers back. Back-to-back jumpers there from Aureo. Now Buhawi outside. Alberto for 3. So that won't go. Alanik now being guarded by Buhawi. Alanik with a cross. Drop pass. Aureo another jumper. Back-to-back hits para kay Aureo. And now a 5-point lead para dito sa white shirts, as Aureo will be able to save it. Also active on the rebounding department itong si Aureo, as Canillo loses the ball. Ball will stay with the white shirts. Alanik outside, 3 from Tautuan. Yes! Gets it to go. Now Bainting with a runner. Bainting answers back with a highlight of his own. 28 seconds remaining in the first half. Marquita outside, Tautuan, another 3. Got it! Yes, sir. Back-to-back hits for Tautuan. Oh, with a drop pass by Hinting inside of the cutting Lapina. Ball is slipped out of his hands. Marquita now has the ball. Marquita step back. Tries to beat the buzzer. That won't go. And that is it for the first half. 56-47. An 8-point lead para dito sa mga nakaputi. We'll be right back for the third quarter. And we are back in the ball game. It's 56-47. Lamang ang mga nakaputi. But that was a miss from Marquita as Pahinting will fly skying high for the layup here. Pahinting, flight number 19 para dito sa Team Dark. Aureo over Buhawi. Aureo once again with a basket. 2 points is good para dito kay Aureo. Niere outside, Divinadera. Balik dito kay Niere. Niere, drop pass to Buhawi. Buhawi over Aureo. That won't go. Buhawi taps it back to Bahinting. One-hander back-to-back baskets para dito kay Bahinting. Aureo, kick out. Marquita for 3. Short na naman. Divinadera will have the rebound. Niere with an outlet pass. Masyadong malakas. And Bahinting somehow managed to get that ball pero hindi lang niya napasok as Aureo misses that jumper. Humulan lays it in. 2 points is good para dito kay Humulan. And a turnover para sa mga nakaputi. Out of bounds. Bola mapupunta for the dark shirts. Now Niere. Out of bounds ulit. Tautuan will sit down. Ball is stolen by Alignosan. He will bring the ball down. Alignosan with a no-look pass to Marquita. Won't go. Alignosan gets it. Puts it up. Puts it in. Gabi, di man lang tumalon si Alignosan doon. Bahinting drops to Buhawi. Buhawi will fire a 3. Sa 3 for Buhawi is a miss. Gusto talagang makuha ni Buhawi yung tira na yon, but not that time for Buhawi. And Canillo gets it in. 2 points. Kanina si Buhawi yung lumipad. This time it's flight number 05 and that's gonna be Canillo. Divinadera will try to get the steal. Canillo against now against Bahinting. Canillo outside to Marquita. Marquita will attack. Marquita off the glass. Yun na yung hinahanap na puntos. Itong si Marquita as Bahinting with a drop pass. Humulan with a miss. Divinadera with a lefty lay. Oreo all the way. As Buhawi will be called for a foul that time. Buhawi claiming that natamaan yung bola sa paa nitong si Aureo. But that's not the case. Canillo with a jumper. That won't go. Go will have the rebound. Kakapasok lang nitong si Go. Getting that rebound already. Humola with the basket. Floater is good para kay Humola. Alanik outside to Marquita. Fires a 3 from the sideline. Wala para kay Marquita as the rebound goes to Buhawi. 2-on-1 action. Buhawi basket. And the white shirts will call a timeout. 64-57 ang ating talaan dito. And we'll be right back as the black shirts will have the lead. And we're back in the game as Canillo knocks down another jumper. 66-59 now is our score. Go outside. Buhawi side to attack. Hesitation move from Buhawi. One-hander. No go. Para kay Buhawi. Bola mapupunta pa rin for the dark shirts. Buhawi with a one-hander. One more time. Won't go again. Bahinting won't be able to get that layup. 4:52 remaining here. Aureo on the attack. Aureo attacks the defense with the veteran Fabian. Shot for Canillo. That won't go. Fabian tracks the rebound. Go. Humola out of his hands, and that's gonna be a turnover. This time, Humola will sit down. Balik dito. Itong si Lapinia. $66-59 now is our score. Carbon. Miscommunication there. Hindi nakita ni Tau Tuan. Now, Igot. 17 on the shot clock. Cross-court pass. Tautuan. Inside. Shot from Igot. Won't go. Tautuan gets the ball back though. Outside 3. Alanik from the parking lot. That won't go, and that's gonna be Dark Shirts basketball. Go. Bahinting attacks the defense of Tautuan. No go. Rebound goes to Lapinia. Outside Buhawi. 3 ball. Wala para kay Buhawi. Fabian answers back. Or Fabian with a stick back rather. As he gets that one to go. Now it's 66-63. 3 ball from Tautuan. Oh my goodness. Tautuan right now is scorching hot. 4 points or 4 3-pointers already for Tautuan. Now Bahinting has the ball, reverse, nice move from Bahinting. Carbon. Alanik tries to drop it off to his teammate. Battle for the rebound. Outlet pass. Pinasa yung bola sa bata. As Alanik will be subbing out of the game. Balik dito itong si Romano. On the other side naman, the big guy Valenzuela is ready to check in. Romano now has the ball. Pass it to Igot. Jumper for Igot. Swishes the net. Bahinting will fly over Tautuan. Now Romano with a cross. Romano foul on Go. Fabian will sub out of the game. Valenzuela is back in. 1:08 remaining. Tautuan outside to Romano. Balik dito kay Tautuan. He will fire a 3. That won't go for Tautuan. 4 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Hindi natamaan yung ring. Not sure if they're aware of it. Just in the nick of time, Canillo shoots it perfectly, but not that time. Hindi nakapasok. But Bahinting on the other side will lay that one in. 40 ticks left to go here in the third quarter. Carbon. Seto Canillo. Canillo with a hop step. Canillo, dipsy-do, won't go. Tautuan will have the ball. 25 seconds remaining. Romano inside. What a find by Romano. Napaka-perfect ng position nitong si Canillo, getting that 2 points, and Romano with a perfect vision as well. And finally, Buhawi gets the 3. Buhawi is 1 out of 7 so far. And Tautuan will shoot 3 free throws on that late foul from Go. That's the end of the third quarter though. 73-72. Team Light are leading the way by 1 point against Team Dark. We'll be right back. We are back in the ball game for the fourth and final quarter. Tingnan mo naman itong dark shirts dito. Itong si Niere, Humola, Divinadera, and La Piña. I'm pretty sure that they are teammates during the regular season. And add mo lang itong si Bahinting as your athletic guy. Alanik will miss the free throw. Gets his own miss. Alanik misses that time again. Wala mapupunta dito for Bahinting. Bahinting, Pinoy step. Drops it inside to his teammate. We are tied once again. 74 all. Now Canillo has the ball. Naghanap ng mapapasahan si Canillo dito. Spins. A lot of green shirts there. Humola with an outlet pass. Niere behind the back. Lapina drops it back to Niere. Now this is an all-star game, ladies and gentlemen. We expect to have them, we expect these players to make a show. Aurelio with a top shot. That's a foul on Lapina. Tingnan natin, no? Kasi nga, yun nga sabi ko kanina, it is an all-star game, and maybe, no, aside from the young guys, well, if they really tried, Aurelio maybe, Bahinting maybe, and sino pa bang mga mahahaba dito sa ating all-star game, no? They can really slam that home, slam that ball home. But aside from that, baka bigla tayong makakita ng mga players na ganito. Itong si Divinadera, we have Fabian. Maybe they will slam the basketball home, no? But I doubt that would happen. 76 all. Marquita with a floater, no go. Bahinting na naman, may tanga ng bola. Bahinting drops it inside to Humola and gets that basket home. Tatlo na, dalawa na rather ang lamang nitong dark shirts. Well, this guy is a shifty guy. Alanik kanina pa, napaka-shifty ng batang to. Outside to Canillo. The other guy we should talk about here in the All-Star game, itong si Canillo, the Swiss Army knife para sa Team White. Divinadera naiwan and gets that basket to fall. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Maybe he could have slammed that home, but that time, easy basket. 2 points is a 2 points para kay Divinadera. Timeout para dito sa Team Light. 80-76 is our score. 7:06 remaining. We are back in the ball game after that short timeout. Canillo now has the ball. Again, this is the CABC All-Star game. Canillo, good challenge there by Divinadera. And the ball will stay with the white shirts. Canillo. Again, another sampayan defense for the dark shirts. Niere, touchdown! Nakahawak sa likod si Niere. Na-overextend yung likod nito. Now Alanik has the ball. Shot. No sir. Rebound goes to Aurelio. Aurelio with a fadeaway. Masyadong malakas. Bola mapupunta po for the white shirts. It will go the other side. Niere, Bahinting loses control of the ball. Alanik has it. Alanik with a drop pass. Divinadera with a steal. Niere with a J gets it to go. Ratos in. Jumper is good for Niere. Now Alanik, 1-on-1 on Divinadera. Alanik with a lay, naiwan yung kanyang depensa dun. That was an awkward looking position for Divinadera. No, he was the one guarding Alanik. That's a good thing though for Divinadera, not committing any. That's a good thing for Divinadera, not committing any contact though against Alanik earlier, but that time Divinadera will be called for a foul, and that is against Aurelio, and Aurelio will be shooting two. Romano will sub in as Aurelio completes the 3-point play. Substitution, Tautoan will be subbing in the game, and Alignosan will sit down. .445 remaining. Go will fire a 3. Good look there by Go. Ball is stolen though by Bahinting as Bahinting will drop it inside to his teammate. No goal. Ball goes in the hands of Aureo. Aureo bumps into Buhawe. Great defense by Buhawe. Gandang depensa nun from Buhawe. All ball. Oh, Buhawe with a cross. Buhawe with a lay. Oh, yes. From defense to offense. Grabe naman yun. Taking the matters to his own hands. Again, Divinadera, no? You gotta give credit to the defense of Divinadera as Tauto will fire and he will miss. Bahinting with a runner. Bahinting off the glass. Back to a 9-point lead for the Black Shirts. Alanik has the ball. Alanik puts it up. That won't go. No foul call there. And that is out of bounds. Bola mapupunta para dito sa White Shirts. And Alanik will sit down. Balik dito itong si Carbon. 3:30 remaining. And Bahinting won't be able to get that or save that ball. Nakahawak na si Bahinting sa kanyang calf muscles dito. Parang magka-cramps na ata si Bahinting. And good drive there. Again, that is Aureo. Also one of the athletic guys here in this all-star game. Again, no, talagang gugustuhin ni Aureo at pwede niyang idakdak yung bola eh. Okay, it's like 5'9", 5'10". As he will get the second free throw. That's 2 out of 2 for Aureo. And a very solid mid-range jumper, no? Itong si Aureo. Maganda yung pinapakita niya back in the first half. Easy baskets lang. Niere will fire a rainbow 3. Masyadong matalas para kay Niere. Bahinting tracks down the rebound against Romano. Bahinting won't go. Talagang gusto ni Bahinting yung shot na yon. As Romano will drop it up to Carbon. Balik kay Romano. Won't go. That's a miss. Rebound goes to Carbon. Romano back to Carbon again. That is short one more time. And they are bothered by the defense of the Dark Shirts. Buhawe with a shot fake. La Piña outside to Buhawe. By the way, nakabutas ng tres kanina. One-hander for Buhawe. Rattles out. Bola mapupunta pa kay Buhawe ulit. Nope. Tautuhan will have it. Pass it to his point guard. Now Carbon. Set to Aureo. Jumper for Aureo. Rattles out. Rebound goes to Go. Buhawe kicks it out. Niere will fire. That's a 3. Masyadong malakas. Last 2 minutes of the game for the CABC All-Stars. 7-point game lang ito. Tauto inside. Canillo to the cutting Carbon. Outside to Romano. Balik kay Tauto. Fire. 3. Masyadong malakas. Rebound goes to Canillo. Outside to Carbon. Now with a mid-range. Wala pa rin para kay Carbon. The Dark Shirts are trying to run away with this one. They can already smell blood. Go for the dagger. Gets it to go! A 10-point lead para dito sa Dark Shirts. Big shot there for Go. With 1:24 left to go, we'll be right back. Looks like the Team Dark can smell blood. We're back in the game with 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining. 10-point lead para sa Dark Shirts. As yung tira na yun, I believe that's from Zamora. There's a wedgie. I think the ball will stay. I think the ball will stay with. I think the ball will stay with the white shirts though. Yep, the ball will stay with the white shirts. Alignosan outside Zamora. That's a 3. That won't go for Zamora. Side rim yung natamaan doon on that 3 from Zamora. Exactly a minute remaining. Now Go has the ball. Big triple earlier from Go. Alberto for 3. Rattles out for Alberto. Now Zamora. Shot fake. 3 ball for Zamora. Masyadong malakas. Bahinting outside to Alberto. Alberto will fire a 3. Wala pa rin para dito kay Alberto as Alignosan. Now his turn. Tira sa labas. Alignosan off the glass. Wala pa rin. They are now chucking up 3-pointers as Team White totally understands. And Alberto for 3. Go has the ball. 14 seconds remaining. One more time for Alberto. Almost got it in. Go will track down the rebound. Again, Alberto. Wala pa din. Go gets it. 1 second. Alberto to beat the buzzer. And that's gonna do it, ladies and gentlemen. After all the fun and games, medyo there's a little bit of physicality there in our all-star game. Again, it's really given. I mean, it's basketball. Talagang physikalan talaga yung mangyayari doon. But again, the sportsmanship, the friendship, the camaraderie of our architects talagang mananaig. It's an all-star game, so everyone needs to be happy by the end. And I think the dark shirts are happier right now. Sila yung nanalo sa ating CABC All-Star Game. 96-83. Once again, the Team Dark Shirts are your All-Star champions. So, in behalf of the crew, in behalf of our live stream partner G-Stream, in behalf of CABC community, in behalf of all the architects that joined, especially to the champions earlier, SRNT, we are going to see you next season for the CABC or Cebu Architects Basketball Club Season 7. Have a good day, everyone.
All-Star Game MVP, Mark Bahending, 30 points, 9 rebounds, 8 assists naman sa gidi.
And we're talking to our All-Star Game MVP, Mark Bahinting. Mark, congratulations in yung kadaugan. I want to ask you first if how was... We're talking to our best player of the game or our All-Star Game MVP, Mark Bahinting. Mark, congratulations by the way sa inyong kadaugan karon, and it was a very enjoyable game both for the white shirts and for your team, the dark shirts. So I just wanted to ask you if how was the experience for playing the first CABC All-Star?
First and foremost, I would like to thank God sa kadaugan gihatag namo karon. Kanang Sama, ay kalga sa gawas ay. Ano na lang, nindot kayo ang feeling first All-Star game sa CABC. Nya, gihatag ko gid sa mo ang kadaugan. Then dili pud ni makuha na ko ang best player of the game kung dili tungod sa contingents.
Well, of course, there's a lot of rivals now in the regular season, especially the green shirts. Naggan kayo green shirts ang makauban karon sa All-Star game. And I believe this is your team sa regular season, the Easy Pavers. What can we expect for the Easy Pavers on the next season of the CABC? Ayo palayo.
Sorry. Sa karon ang good is kaya unta gid namo masud sa playoffs but then busy schedule dili may makompleto. So kuha na lang look forward sa next corporate cup which is ang Easy Pavers nga same team gihapon ko na si Zach. Then wala na.
Alright, once again, our All-Star Game MVP, Mark Bahinting. Congratulations sa inyong kadaugan. One last question. Ikon sa nimo ang Bahinting na taga Davao? Kung sa Bravo is...
Wala po.
Well, out of curiosity lang, no? But again, congratulations. Anyone nga gusto nimong i-shout out?
Sige, first of all, shout out to Uncle George. Ganina rin siya sa kuan. And then my team, and then my office mates. Mga kauban ako sa opisina. Then my girlfriend nga naapod karon nag-support sa ako.
Alright, again, Mark, congratulations sa inyong All-Star Game win and for you as an All-Star Game MVP. We are looking forward to see you next season. And in behalf of the crew, I am Neil Ramos, so long, and thank you so much for supporting the CABC Basketball Club. Have a good day, everyone.